Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
Suppose on the other hand the pressure is held constant at 1.5 atm but the temperature is decreased by 221 degrees Celsius, what will happen to the sample? The answer of the question is: to determine what happens to the sample when the temperature is decreased while the pressure is held constant, we need to evaluate the effect of this temperature change on the state of the substance. Here is the step-by-step approach. 1. Identify the new temperature. Original temperature 109 degrees Celsius, temperature decreased by 221 degrees Celsius. New temperature 109 minus 221 is equal to 112 degrees Celsius. 2. Refer to the phase diagram. At 1.5 atm, the sample was in the gas phase at 109 degrees Celsius. With the temperature now dropped to minus 112 degrees Celsius, you need to compare this temperature with the substance's phase diagram at 1.5 atm. 3. Understand phase transitions. Phase diagram check. To determine the new state, you need to consult the substance's phase diagram to see if minus 112 degrees Celsius at 1.5 atm is below its boiling point or above its freezing point. Likely scenarios: if the new temperature minus 112 degrees Celsius is below the substance's boiling point and 1.5 atm, the gas will condense into a liquid because it is now cooler than the temperature required for the substance to remain in the gas phase at the pressure. If the new temperature is above the freezing point but below the boiling point at 1.5 atm, the substance might remain in the liquid phase or freeze depending on the exact temperatures of phase transitions. If minus 112 degrees Celsius is below the freezing point of the substance at 1.5 atm, the liquid or gas, if it was not yet condensed, will solidify. Conclusion: given then minus 112 degrees Celsius is quite low. If the original sample was a gas at 109 degrees Celsius and 1.5 atm, cooling it to minus 112 degrees Celsius will likely cause condensation or solidification. Depending on the substance's phase diagram at 1.5 atm, the most common result would be condensation into a liquid or solidification into a solid, assuming minus 112 degrees Celsius is below the boiling point at 1.5 atm. In summary, decreasing the temperature significantly below the original temperature to minus 112 degrees Celsius will likely lead to condensation or solidification on the sample if the temperature is below its boiling point or freezing point at 1.5 atm. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next session, bye bye.